that CL has been turned into a Manas, does Rimuru still have a computer in his head? The answer to that is yes. Even though CL has its own physical body and does things separately from Rimuru, they are still connected both physically and mentally. Rimuru and CL have two different physical bodies, but they share the same core, also meaning that no matter how many times Rimuru dies, if CL isn't killed like him, they can both reincarnate because their core wouldn't be entirely destroyed. They can also communicate telepathically, so even though CL is not entirely inside Rimuru's head, they still communicate in the same manner, and CL still helps Rimuru with every decision he needs to make.
I've been breaking, and these drugs I've been tasting don't ever get mental. Just put it in a ponytail, fucking from behind. Nothing with the clothes on, panties to the side, with the panties to the side. Like a dawn do, get away, let it slide like a sunroof.
Oh, but there's still one more thing you need to know.
There's more. You know everybody.
Thing is, I'm a straight up demon lord now. My bad. Need the rap with the gods tears now.
I needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga.